How to fix Siri not working on iPhone. So if you want to fix Siri is not responding or not working on your iPhone, this can happen due to incorrect settings, microphone issues, or software glitches. This guide will walk you through easy steps to troubleshoot and fix Siri. Now let's get started. First, you need to verify your internet connection. Open up your browser and visit fast.com to check the internet speed. If it's slow, turn on airplane mode, wait for a few seconds, then turn it off. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which works better. Now the next solution is you need to enable Siri from accessibility. So you just need simply open up your settings at first. Under settings, you can scroll down, go with accessibility. Under accessibility, scroll down again and you will have Siri option. Tap on Siri and then again scroll down, and here you need to turn on the option of always listen for Siri. You need to turn that on, and that's it. The speaking rate should also be high.
Speaking rate set to 139%.
And under the responses, you can go with prefer spoken responses. If that doesn't fix your problem, you need to enable always listener for Siri. You can go with the same settings, and here you will have an option of talk to Siri. You can turn that on. After that, go back and you may have an option of allow Siri when locked. You can also turn that on. Once you've done all of that, you can just restart your device. After restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.